Welcome. Today we'll discuss how to change the language in WinRAR. Follow these steps to adjust the language settings to your preference. First, access your Start menu and search for apps. Click on Apps and Features from the search results. Use the search button to find WinRAR and uninstall your current version. Next, open your web browser and go to the official WinRAR website, win-rar.com. Once on the home page, click on the Download button. Here you'll find language options to choose from, such as Russian, Mongolian, Japanese, and Italian. Select your preferred language and ensure you download the appropriate version based on your system type 32-bit or 64-bit. To check your system type, go back to the Start menu, search for this PC, and go to Properties. Look for the system type to determine whether you have a 32-bit or 64-bit system. Download the WinRAR version that matches your system type and preferred language. Once downloaded, follow the installation guide provided by WinRAR to change the language settings. That's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you next time.